22nd May is the day of International Day of Biodiversity. So the theme of 2021 is we are the part of solution, means that the sustainable development of biodiversity may provide you the solution of number of the problems. The aim of the celebration day of biodiversity is to study, is to promote, is to protect and preserve the crop diversity, the wild diversity, wildlife and the biodiversity around the world, because nature is the solution of our problems. Biodiversity is our life. To save the biodiversity, to save your life. The objective of biodiversity to conserve the diversity of natural pollinators, honeybee, number of insects and number of the birds, number of the wildlife that are natural agents to protect, to promote the biodiversity, to conserve these natural pollinators in order to protect the natural diversity of the crops, natural diversity of the plants, natural diversity of the medicinal plants and the wildlife. In accordance to the theme of 2021, we are the part of solution, because the biodiversity may provide you food, may provide you energy, may provide you free oxygen to live in the universe Earth. There are a number of organizations at the governmental levels, non-governmental levels around the world who are working actively to protect the biodiversity. For example, UNESCO, IUCN, WWF and number of the institutions where the botany, where the plant sciences is actively involved to protect the ecological diversity, to protect the nature, to protect the natural resources, because our dependency on nature is in immense importance. Pakistan playing very important role and initiated the project of Billion Tree Tsunami in 2014. Now the continuation of this project around this country to plant the trees, to protect the indigenous diversity for sustainable utilization, for sustainable solution of the problems. Pakistan is the hotspot of biodiversity. There are a number of endemic wildlife, there is a number of endemic plants that are distributed in different parts of Pakistan. The juniper forest of Balochistan, the western Himalaya, Karakoram, Hindu Kush and the deserts of Sindh, the beautiful hotspot of Kashmir, Punjab, KPK and our northern Gilgit-Baltistan. So this area is endowed with natural biodiversity of a number of endemic plants, endemic wildlife, endemic birds, mammals and reptiles. There is a need for interdisciplinary cooperation, positivity, promotions, preservations of biodiversity to protect the forest density, to protect the forest biodiversity in order to protect the insects, to protect the crop diversity, to protect a number of the habitats for other wildlife that are dependent on forest biodiversity. In order to achieve the objectives of biodiversity conservation in accordance to the Convention on Biological Diversity by UNESCO, Department of Plant Sciences, Quaid-e-Azam University is the top rank and a leading department in the country to promote, to study, to conserve the biodiversity. There are number of the labs, number of the centers who are actively involved for the biodiversity conservation, databasing of Himalayan biodiversity, researchers who are working on a fungal diversity to develop the fungarium, the researchers who are working on diseases of the fruits, vegetables by using the latest molecular pathological techniques, the genetical diversity, the genomics of algal diversity, the diversity of the vegetables, potato, tomato by using the molecular techniques, DNA, proteomics and the agricultural biology. In order to get the maximum sustainable solutions, the maximum sustainable value-added products by using the plant diversity, Department of Plant Sciences working on the honeybee diversity, grapes diversity, vegetable crops and number of other non-timber forest products. To achieve the true objectives of conservation of biodiversity, it is the need of time to develop the herbaria, to develop the botanical garden, national park, to protect the wildlife sanctuaries in order to protect the life of biodiversity. By protecting the biodiversity life, actually we are protecting our nature, we are protecting our life. we are protecting the sustainable futures of our upcoming generation. Multidisciplinary segments including the plant diversity, algal diversity, fungal diversity, crop diversity, plant microbe diversity. There is a need to develop the inter-coordination, interdisciplinary science to protect this diversity, because the sustainability is the solution of number of the problems that we are facing in a very fast climatic changes in this era. So it is the need of the time under these fast climatic changes to interconnect all these segments of plant sciences to develop the sustainable conservation strategies to promote, to protect and to preserve the biodiversity. Here conclude this International Day of Biodiversity, to love, to care the nature, because nature wants love, nature wants care, because when you care and love the nature, nature gives you the solution of your problem. But keep in watching Miracle Herbal Diversity to get the solution of your problem.